All right, second graders, once you have completed the Sunday lesson, you're going to pull out your Sunday worksheet 105. You are going to add an S or an ES to make the words plural, and then you are going to write the sentences, making sure your handwriting is nice and neat. You have a capital letter at the beginning, a finger space in between each word, and a period at the end. So the first one would look like this. The trees have green branches. Since tree ended in an E, I just add an S. Since branches ended in that CH, I add an ES to make branches plural. Then I wrote, the trees have green branches. Capital letter at the beginning, finger spaces throughout. You can read my words, and a period at the end. Then you're going to go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of the sentences.